Let's jump right into unboxing these. This should be fairly quick because I don't think there's actually too much in these boxes. So here is the Rode Video Micro. Comes in this nice little case here that you just pry apart to open. On this side you have your microphone with the dead cat covering it. This is your mount for your cold shoe or hot shoe. And here's your adapter that we'll be plugging into the GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter. There's some directions there, I'm sure, which we don't need those. Moving on, next we have the GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter. And this is just this very overpriced box that all it does is take the USB-C on the GoPro and convert it so that you can plug your 3.5mm jack that goes to your Rode Video Micro. You also have another USB slot here to be able to power the GoPro and the external mic, which I would probably do to get a little bit more battery life out of my GoPro. And I'll show you guys how this just gets set up really quick. All you need to do is plug the Rode Video Micro 3.5mm jack there, and then this end plugs right into the back of the microphone. And this will mount right on here. All you're going to want to do is pull your dead cat off the end here and slide this over the end of the microphone. And it should go about right there, and then you can pop your dead cat back on here. One of these sides is a little bit more flat than the other, so you want to make sure that is the side that is going to be above the camera, because the GoPro will pick up a little bit of the dead cat in the frame. You can edit this out in post by zooming in your frame a little bit, or I will show you in my ultimate GoPro Hero 6 vlogging setup how I am able to get around getting this dead cat in the picture. But I just built a little riser here that mounts above the GoPro. And yeah, that is pretty much it. This is the setup that you will need to use for an external microphone. The Rode Video Micro is not a powered mic, so when I set this up on my GoPro Hero 6, I'm going to make sure to either choose standard in the mic options or standard plus. Standard plus will add 20 decibels of gain to the volume. I think I'll start with standard plus first so that I can definitely hear audio, but it's just a preference really, and you can really change this in post if you're working in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's fairly easy just to bump up the gain a little bit to get a little bit louder volume. But yeah, I just got a little bit tired of editing the audio in Premiere Pro from the GoPro, and this will solve all my issues, and I shouldn't have to do much with the audio anymore. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below.